Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like hunger. I better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
So guys, the braid come in half, 84-inch expression, so you just cut it in half and then another half and you're good to go. Or you can do it like the way that I'm showing you, but the easier way is to just cut it in half and then cut it in another half, so you get 4 quarters. So now we have our 4 bundles all together. You need to stretch the ends, so you can stretch the ends all together or strand by strand, or a small amount by a small amount. I did it by a small amount by a small amount because you lose less hair while doing that. So now we're going to put the hair on the skewer and we're just going to wrap it. While you wrap it, you basically twine the hair or twist it around. Yes, so you just don't wrap it free, but you just twist it around a little. When it comes down to the end part, you just keep wrapping until it's done. The reason why you need to stretch the hair is because the end will pull, the hair would pull out as you finish because it does not have anything to wrap on, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so you need to stretch the ends. Okay, so I'm finished. I got 46 pieces. I'm just using the scissors to just cut off any raw hair that I see on the hair that I wrap basically. Now I'm going to add hot water and conditioner. So I'm using contour conditioner. You can use any conditioner of your choice or any other thing, that product that you want to add to the hair. Yes, your preference. So add that to the water. Add hot water. You can let it stay for 10 minutes and my one stay for like 30 minutes because I didn't remember about it. Yes, so that's it. Just let it sit in there for a while and you're good to go. So may I try to catch a little clip phone, but as you know, the smoke is going to cause the camera to be foggy. But yeah, that's when I add the hot water. I use extremely hot water, but it all depends on the container that you're using. So the water don't have to be extremely hot, but it needs to be hot enough. So after the 10 minutes or how long you let them stay in the water, you're going to take them out, put them on a towel and let them dry overnight, or you can use a blow dryer to speed up the process. I did it overnight because it was late in the afternoon. New day, new me. So now I'm just unraveling the hair and pulling the hair. Basically, some of them gave me problems because it wrapped too tight, the end wrapped too tight, but that's okay. I still managed to maneuver that. Yes, so that's how it's looking like a spring twist. So you DIY a spring twist and you're ready to go. You're ready to go. Yes. Incoming, sorry for the interruption guys. So that's me, that's my hair. Yes girl, shake it all here. Yes, Rapunzel. Okay, so I'm going to do my hair now. So I plait my hair. You can plait your hair, you can not twist your hair, but you can add rubber band to your hair without plaiting it, which is another method that you can use to do this. But I plait my hair because I'm going to crochet in the DIY spring twist. Yes. So guys, it's my first time doing it and I think I was doing it real thick in the back, but it's okay. I can fix it, but like it's okay. Yes, so I started to do them like tighter, like I did it loose. Yes, so I started to do it tighter and all those stuff. So just enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Watch the ads Yes, I'm Candice and I'm bringing the bad content. So if you're new, you know, just join us over here. Yes, a mixture of everything. Yes, I'm gonna just continue my ear and think, yeah. So guys, don't mind the parting, but this is how it's looking from the back. Yeah, I'm proud of myself because it actually look good. Yes, and it's my first time, so we're just going to continue. I'm just going to try and tell you how I do this thing because I don't know how to explain it. So I'm unraveling the spring twist. Yes, I use 2 on each here, yes, to get the desired length. So guys, you're going to put the crochet needle through the hair, and then now you're going to put the hair on that little hook that you can see. Yes, so I think it wasn't going on. Yes, so you put it on the hook that you see and you're going to close it. There's a closing part, you're going to close it, draw it through, and then pull one end only, just like that. And then you begin to wrap the hair with the longer piece. So at the starting you can wrap it about 2 to 3 times so that it's secure, and then you just continue from there. So we are done, guys. Tell me if you like the style. Yes, tell me if you like it. And yes, it actually looked nice, and I feel proud of myself. Remember to like the video, remember to comment, remember to share, remember to watch the ads, remember to tell your auntie, your uncle, your hairdresser. Yes, just something easy you can do, spring twist and do other things with it, but this is just one of the ways that it can be used. Yes guys, remember now, check out my other videos. And I did this on freshly washed hair. I'm going to be putting a card on how I wash my hair in this video, so check it out. Check the description guys, and follow me on all social media.